Hello everybody. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive issues. To know how to fix or how to solve Google Drive issues, you should just go to Settings. After that, you click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to Google Drive, and you will enter here. After that, we click on First Stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to Storage. Here we click Clear Cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your phone. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.